I'm going to show you guys how to create a review widget that you can implement on your website, and also show you how to use our review response AI tool. Underneath our widgets area, underneath this, you're going to go ahead and click create new. And you can see we have a bunch of preset ones already available for you. The grid option, the masonry. I like the legacy. I personally just send out my review requests to my individual consumers. But you can see here you can choose all different pages or select just individual ones like Facebook, Google, so on and so forth. And there we also do have our own listing tool to help you get listed on all those sites if you haven't already done that. And in here too, if you go underneath the review section, you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and generate a review response. Boom, click. You guys can see how easy it actually is, just like that. Respond to a review in seconds. And in here too, you can actually send out a review request to somebody. So you click on the contact name right there and send out the actual review request as well. Boom, it's done. Thanks guys. Always like and subscribe now.